Hey there, Shot by APVA listeners. Welcome back to your go-to channel for all things audio and creative industry update. I am T-Code and I'm thrilled to have you here. Today we've got a fantastic lineup of news, exciting opportunities, and a creative spotlight you don't want to miss. So, let's dive right in. If this community has sparked your creativity or inspired you in any way, why not spread the word? Hit that like button, share this episode, and invite other creatives to join us. And hey, don't forget to visit apva.africa to become a member and stay in the loop. Africa's fastest growing catalog of audio creatives, studio hubs, and agencies is officially launched, and APVA is calling on the continent's finest to be a part of it. The Creators Rolodex is more than a directory, it's a strategic platform built to spotlight African voice artists, sound engineers, studio owners, agencies, and creative hubs. In this week's episode of the Ask and Answer podcast, we have Ridwan Oyenuga, the founder of Serene Mind. This episode dives into effective stress reduction techniques like meditation and exercise tailored specifically for audio creators. Whether you're in post-production stress or just feeling the weight of creative pressure, this one's here to help you reset and thrive. PodConnect returns with its second event of the year, focusing on attracting advertisers for your podcast. This event will feature expert insights on crafting pitches, understanding audience value, and building sponsor relationships. Date 29th May 2025. The wait is almost over. TVOC 6.0 is here. This highly anticipated event promises to be bigger and better than ever, with a theme that's sure to inspire. The future is Africa. Date June 26 to 27, 2025. Join the spoken word artists, Boy, and other incredible speakers on TEDxSADI as they share their definition of success and insights on how to carve your path and live authentically. Date May 31st, 2025. Venue Douala Littoral, Cameroon. And now to some international news. The State of the Audio Industry 2025 survey is set to launch in collaboration with Content is Queen, focusing on tracking trends related to pay and equity within the audio industry. This survey follows the 2024 and 2023 editions, providing valuable insights into the industry's progress and challenges. The True Crime and Paranormal Podcast Festival is here. This event offers a unique chance to meet and interact with your favorite podcasters and content creators. Mark your calendars for July 18 to 20, 2025, and prepare for an amazing experience. Our spotlight of the week is Hikmat Abdulmumuni. Hikmat Abdulmumuni is a Nigerian podcaster and host of the Sweet and Soul podcast. This podcast is a space for productive minds that are open to becoming better versions of themselves. Connect with her on Instagram at sweetandsournet. That's a wrap for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in. If you're hungry for more content, be sure to visit our website at apva.africa for all the latest updates. Stay connected, stay creative, and as always, keep on grooving. See you next time.